You know that smell when you take a steak out of the bag and the smell hits you on the face and it's telling you, I'm good, eat me? That's what just happened to me. We're cooking this cowboy ribeye here, Alton Brown style, baby. Let's do it. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know who Alton Brown is. Alton Brown is one of the cooks or chefs that I respect the most out there. He was a superstar in the Food Network and he's an amazing cook. And he has a video out there recommending the exact way to cook the perfect steak all the time. And the first recommendation is to get one of these aluminum little trays, put them in there, and get some of the skewers, the wooden skewers. Everybody have these at home. It's not something complicated to find. Then you will open some holes in your aluminum tray. And you're gonna go all the way across with it. Just like that. Now what he said we should do is we should get a paper towel and we should get the steak in the paper towel. So let me get just this steak and put it surrounded by the paper towel. And his recommendation is to put it in the fridge for 3 days. After the first 24 hours, you're gonna remove this paper towel and replace it with another one and leave it there for 2 more days. And the whole idea that he says is that the steak is gonna get into the dry aging phases and it's gonna make a beautiful, amazing steak out of that. That's something that I really wanna test because I know a little bit about dry aging and it's not like that. So let's get this baby into the fridge and let's test everything out. So another thing that he recommends us to do is to put it on the bottom in the fridge so we have the less amount of humidity in there and that's gonna help to dry age the steak. We're gonna leave it in here tomorrow, 24 hours. We're gonna be replacing that paper towel and then after that, in 3 days, we're gonna be cooking this baby and I will let you know what happened. Let's do it. Hey, don't judge me, okay? I'm in quarantine. All right, guys, it's been 3 days and that steak has been on that fridge for 3 days, but it's been 3 crazy days here, guys. And you might be asking yourself why the face of the ninja is so big on the screen, and it's because I'm hiding something from you guys. Let me show you what it is. Oh, bro, I'm so excited to show you this thing. This is the new YouTube studio we have here. Look at this, man. We got this thing super cheap. We just sanded off, painted off, and it's looking beautiful. Now we have our own little counter. We still have our own little fridge in here, the spices, the pans. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited. If you guys want me to make a video about how we created all this stuff, let me know because that would be my pleasure to show it to you. And now, let's get into the steak. All right, here we have our steak. As I told you, I changed the paper towel surrounding this steak once, and let's see how it looks. Look at that. It looks a lot like a dry-aged steak. Man, this is interesting. Let's cut a little piece and see how it looks inside. And as you can see, we have some red meat right there. So let's do something. Let's put some salt and pepper on this baby, put them on the side for about 30 minutes, and then we cook it. But now, guys, it's time to stop talking about everything else and put our full attention into the beauty of this video. Let's cook this baby up. All right, till now, everything has been more or less exactly the same thing we do pretty much on every video. But if you know this guy, Alton Brown, you know that he always changes things around. He's a genius. So this is what he did. He grabbed the chimney, he grabbed his steak, he put it right in the middle, he put the chimney right on top of it, and he waited 90 seconds. So let's give it 90 seconds. Okay, it's been 90 seconds. Oh man, look at the crust on this beauty. Let's turn it around and let's give it 90 more seconds. All right, let me just stop it and reset it. 90 more seconds has passed by. Let's take it out. All right, we have our griddle here. Let's put it right on top of the chimney with the steak right on top. And it's gonna be 1 minute each side now. That's it. Okay, it was a minute already. Let's just flip it around. Oh, look at that. Okay, the minute is up. Let's just clean everything up here on the watch. Let's see it. Oh, brother. Well, Miss Ninja, let me tell you something. That steak looks beautiful.
Not only it looks beautiful, it smells beautiful.
Smells amazing, guys.
Okay.
But we have to attribute that to the chimichurri sauce we made here. Half a chimichurri, half something else. Well, you know, this is one steak. That's all we're gonna do today. But
Okay.
this is a steak made Alton Brown style.
Okay.
Alton Brown again. That guy is amazing. We love him in this house. He's a unique character. He's a superstar, and we love him. The way he does things and everything is completely unique, and we really like it. So, Alton, thank you so much for that way of cooking.
Oh, yes.
We did everything exactly the way you recommended. Of course, the steak changed. So let's try this one first, and
Let's
then
go.
you can try it with the sauce. All right?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right.
Ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's go, let's
My
go.
mouth is watering.
Mine too.
Let's do it.
Mm.
Oh my God.
The crust. That's amazing.
Oh my God.
I love that.
Alton, you are the man.
You're the bomb.
Wow. Guys, if you can do something like that with this style, it came out amazing. The crust is ridiculous.
It is
It's
good.
super tender, it's super juicy, and it is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Oh my goodness, Alton, bro, I give it to you, man. You are the grandpapa.
Mom.
You are the grandpapa here, man. I love it.
I love it.
Guys, if you want to give it a try, I super recommend this way
You
of
should.
cooking. I'm going to be cooking a lot of steaks like that, and it's amazing.
I like it.
You like it?
Love
The
it.
crust is crazy good, guys. If you do this kind of cooking, it's going to be fast and it's going to be amazing.
That's what I love about it. It was so quick. I was like, you're done?
Yeah. Well, guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit us with the like. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave us a comment down there about what do you think about this method. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you.
Say